Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to place transitions on Canva. So right now we have added three clips and we're going to add transitions between them. So the easy option is hover your mouse and click add transition. You'll be given the transitions they have, and when you hover your mouse it will show you how it will look like. So let's select dissolve for the first one, and also you can also select the duration. So we'll choose zero point 0.7. Okay. Then for this one, you can also use this method. Just right click here on the video and then click add transition and select the transition that you want to do. Some of the transitions will have different directions, so choose the one that you want. So we're going to play the clip now to show you how it looks like. We'll mute the video first. Okay, let's play this now. You can see the transition happened. Another one happened. So this is how you place transitions on Canva video. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.